These 3 airdrops are time sensitive. You need to take part right away. First is Linea. This is a ZK EVM rollup that was launched by Consensus, the company behind MetaMask. Linea is designed for developers, and projects like Aave, PancakeSwap, and SushiSwap are already on board. Right now, there is no sign of a token, but Consensus is a for-profit company, so it's likely that they will launch one in the future. So if you want to increase your chances of receiving an airdrop, then you don't want to miss out the Linea Airdrop. Next is Starknet. This is another ZK EVM rollup that is making a lot of noise. Starknet has a previous valuation of $8 billion. So there's a lot of pressure on them to launch a token with high value. There's no word on when Starknet will launch their token, but it's likely to be soon. In the meantime, I recommend engaging in transactions on the platform. This will help increase the chances of receiving an airdrop when Starknet finally issues their airdrop. Number 3, but not the least, is Taiko. This is another ZK EVM Layer 2 solution that was built by the creators of Loopring. Loopring is planning to launch their Layer 3 on Taiko, and with an impressive $97.41 million on Loopring's current platform, the potential to transfer value to Taiko on Layer 3 promises a solid new beginning. Taiko is still in testnet, but there are rumors of an upcoming TKO airdrop. If you want to be eligible for this airdrop, then I recommend actively engaging in the testnet and in the mainnet. And guys, if you want to know how to do this, then join my team and I on Telegram, where we actually teach you how to do this and you see live how we are doing it. And before I go, if you want to also learn how to trade cryptocurrencies profitably, as well as get free signals, then also join my class. First, you have to create a BYBIT account using the link in the description. Then join me for the trading tutorials and signals. And that is it for this video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave me a comment below. See you guys in the next video.